Hey everyone, I'm back. So right now I'm currently in London. I've been here for about 6 days or so. So the ending to my Madrid trip was really amazing. I got to kind of round it out with a few trips around the city, which you'll see in the next video. But for this video, I just wanted to kind of give a kind of intro to it. We actually, 2 weeks ago, so that was week 3 of my trip in Spain, I was able to take a cooking class with a few friends and with some people in the program. And so they had a workshop where they taught us how to cook traditional Spanish food. We were able to cook paella, which is what you're gonna see today. It's better known, made in Valencia, which is a lot more east of Spain. So Madrid in the center of Spain. There's good paella in Spain, but it's best known for Paella de Valencia. We were able to cook kind of our own rendition of it. Pretty classic traditional paella. We had a really fun time doing that, so this video is just gonna focus on that. I had a really good time. You're gonna see me cut up some vegetables and kind of cook a little bit. I had a really good time doing it, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks guys, bye. How is it?
Let me tasting the water.
Caliente, pero es muy bueno.